Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about a topic that I've always had in mind, but it's been difficult to actually release it because I've been struggling to find the appropriate title for it. So after brainstorming for several weeks, I've decided to just put it out there. Hopefully you will understand where I'm going with this. Hence why today's title is Computer Science is not just about programming. What do I mean by this? So, in the course of studying in the university, you get taught everything there is to know about IT in general. So you're having classes about computer networking, databases, programming languages in itself, mobile, web, and all of those, even a bit of things you need for DevOps like Linux and all those. But what happens when you find out that this is actually not working? Because let's be honest, there are times we do things in life and going down the line, we find out that it's not meant for us. And that is where this video for today will be focusing on. I don't think it's proper for us to knock off or knock down people who get to a certain stage or point and realize that it's not working for them, because being honest, it's not meant for everyone. Even you, if you're still in programming now and you're finding it difficult, you would understand where I'm going with this. You know, you probably started with friends who were doing fine at the jump and they were motivated, and along the line, they just found something else that interested them. So I have a lot of people around me that are like this. In fact, I had this conversation with someone when I was in the university, and my advice was pretty simple. I've run into people who want to be in the IT space, in the IT industry, but they don't want to be tied to programming because it's not working for them. In fact, part of the reason why this post was difficult to make was because I already made a video about non-technical jobs in the tech industry. And if you want to watch that, just click on the card here. And in that video, I spoke about you wanting to work in the tech industry, but without any technical knowledge or any technical skill. But this video today is focused on people who want to work in the tech industry, already have some tech skills, but are not interested in programming. Well, you have a lot of options out there. In fact, I remember telling my friend that you don't necessarily need to focus on programming. There are several jobs out there that actually don't need you to know how to program. One of them being UI UX design. You can be an awesome user interface designer without any knowledge of programming. In fact, you're not mandated to know anything about it. You pretty much just need to know how applications work from the user's perspective. And aside from this, there are other administrative jobs in the IT industry that require you to know a bit of programming or have the basic knowledge of all these things. In fact, I think it will be a safe space for us if we have a lot of people who went to study computer science, computer engineering, or whatever that is technical related in the university. If we have a lot of these people picking fields like, technical recruiters, project managers, projects would be easy for us, because we've come to see that in the real world, most cases, you're meeting recruiters who have no idea what they're doing. They're just following what is written on paper, and that could get in the way of achieving something really effective and something really good. So if you're thinking that programming is not your thing, you're studying computer science and you're already neck deep and there's no going back, then maybe you should find one skill in the industry that doesn't require you to program. Something that still allows you to do something you're passionate about, whether it's working with people, talking to people, managing people. There are other fields out there. In fact, you could even be a technical lead, although in some companies, you're required to have some hands-on experience before you're able to do this. So just do the research in the industry or location wherever you live and see what are the suitable jobs out there for you if you decide not to be a programmer or a coder. So, and on that note, that's where we end it for today, guys. Thank you, and I'm glad I've cleared out that particular doubt you might be having. See you next week.